Hello, this is Darin Martineau here, and this is my brand new product, which I call New Sleeve Aces Variations. And I'm really excited to offer this new product. This is revolutionary new card magic. I've got 8 video tutorials on here. Um, it's inspired from Sleeve Aces, which is the Al Leech effect, and I have many of my own original uh, routines. I have So you're going to get 8 video tutorials. There's going to be bonuses of I give a poem script which goes perfect with my Martineau's Aces. Um, I'm going to have several bonuses as well. Something I call the Business of ACAN, which is absolutely phenomenal. Which is any card at any number with an incredible finale. I got a really good surprise on that. I've got um, some incredible slights I put on here. Box card forts in switch 1 and 2. A lot of really advanced card techniques on here. So there's a total of 8 video tutorials, and I showed the original outleaches with several of my variations of the sleeve aces that I've created over the years. This is one of the strongest effects that you can do for your ace routines. So we'll see you on the inside. Enjoy.